Alright, first trick, I take this deck, maybe shuffle like this, and now I search one card. Maybe my lucky cards, maybe 8 of diamonds, yes. And now I turn over this 8 of diamonds like this, because it's my lucky cards. The next step, spectator, stop anytime, maybe here. And now you take any cards. It's really free, maybe your cards here. You remember this card, it's really free, maybe your cards King of Clubs. You remember, drop it in this pile, drop it like this. And next step, spectator, cut this deck, any cut, anytime, any cards. Alright. And next step, I take this deck, no breaks, no creams, it's really true. And now I take any cards. Maybe like this, why not? And now my lucky cards, search your cards, look. And now I deal one by one these cards like this. It's really free, it's not force. And I search my lucky cards. It's really crazy. Oh, my lucky cards, search these cards. It's really nice location. Please name your cards. This is King of Clubs. It's really crazy, yes? And now this Ace of Clubs, this Ace of Spades, this Ace of Hearts, and this Ace of Diamonds. And now you search for Ace and search card spectator. It's really crazy, it's really easy to do. No sleight of hand, let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice card trick. Yes guys, so please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. And now I search for Ace and search card spectator. It's really self-working card trick, it's really automatical card trick, it's really crazy, it's really true. So guys, please take this deck and teach this really amazing card trick. Let's go. Alright, first trick, you take this deck and take, of course, for Ace. Of course, you take maybe for Jack, for King, for 10, you take really any cards. So, and now your setup look like this. You take full deck, alright? And next step, you take one Ace, maybe Ace of Hearts, and deal one by one 24 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24. Alright. And next step, take this maybe Ace of Spades, take Ace of Diamonds, take this pile, turn over, drop it, and take one Ace, Ace of Clubs, drop it like this. Right? Look. And now two pile, 26 cards. One Ace here, one Ace here. This pile 26 cards. And one pile here, Ace here, 26 cards. Right? 26 cards. And this 26 cards. Right. Maybe you take one cards and cover your Ace of Clubs. Why not? Right? Maybe take these two diamonds and cover your Ace of Clubs. The next step, you make a fun. Let's show it really normal deck. And next step, you make any full cut, any full shuffle. Maybe you make a full triple cut. You take little pile, take this pile like this, take this pile, drop it, and drop it like this. Right? Right? I repeat. Look. Zhik, zhik, zhik. It's really easy. Look. Zhik, zhik, zhik. Alright. You control it full deck. So, and next step, you take this deck, turn over, make move it like this, and now you take this one card and put in her like this and search two Ace center this deck. And next step, you take this card, this is 9 of Spades, and turn over like this. Alright? It's really easy. So look. Make a spread, take these cards, put in her, make spread, search two Ace, take one card, switch, and turn over like this, and squeeze and show it this card. This is 9 of Spades, my lucky cards. Alright, and squeeze, of course. So, next step, spectator stop anytime. Of course, spectator stop this little pile, alright? Please stop, alright. And this pile, drop it like this. And now your spread, and spectator take any cards. Maybe your cards 8 of Hearts. It's really free. Spectator remember these cards drop it like this. This spread squeeze and make it dribble like this. and now you squeeze this deck. And next step, spectator cuts this deck. It's really any cut, it's really free, and squeeze. Alright. And next step, you make a spread and show it really no card control, really true. Of course, you search your lucky cards, this 9 of spades. Why? Because this 8 of spades searches 9 of spades, because this 9 of spades location 5, 6, 7, 2, 20, alright? Look, maybe your 9 of spades position like this, 9 of spades here, it's really no cool. And now you squeeze and cut maybe like this, because your 9 of spades like this. This is 5, 6, 9, 10, 50, 20, alright? This is 5 to 20 position, this 9 of spades. Alright. Alright, and next step you make a spread and take 26 cards. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 26. Alright. And now this pile drop it like this pile drop it like this. And now this is 2 pile 26 cards. And next step you deal one by one like this. And now you search your 9 of spades, because your 9 of spades face up. It's really true. Oh, this is 9 of spades. 9 of spades. Search location like this. Spectator name your cards. Of course, this is 8 of hearts. It's really crazy. It's really true. It's really amazing. And now take these 2 cards, drop it like this, snap your finger and show it this ace of hearts, this ace of diamonds, this ace of clubs, and this ace of spades. Yes, guys, it's really crazy. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.